If you're a photographer, videographer, or content creator tired of being chained to a desk to edit, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the 7 best tablets for photo and video editing in 2026, from a budget pick under $230 to the most powerful creative tablet money can buy. Links are in the description. Stick around to the end because the #1 pick launched in 2026 and it changes everything. Starting at number 7, the Amazon Fire Max 11. Most cheap tablets have muddy, washed-out displays with no support for real editing apps. The Fire Max 11 fixes that. First, an 11-inch 2K IPS display at 2000 by 120. Sharp, accurate, and bright enough for reviewing RAW files and making solid color calls. Nothing at this price comes close. Second, optional stylus and keyboard accessories. Add both and you have a light editing setup for Snapseed and Adobe Express. Third, 14-hour battery life. Edit all day without hunting for an outlet. Limitations: the Amazon App Store blocks Google Play. No standard Lightroom without sideloading. Processor cannot handle heavy 4K. Display cannot touch OLED. Best for beginners and students, not for anyone shooting RAW or cutting 4K. At number 6, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. The S9 FE Plus was a great deal. The S10 FE is better in every way that matters for editing. First, an included S Pen with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. Mask, retouch, and adjust with pen-level precision right out of the box. Nothing at this price comes close. Second, a 10.9-inch 2560 by 1600 display at 90 Hz, running the full Adobe mobile suite via Google Play. Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Rush, all fully supported. Third, IP68 water and dust resistance plus an 8,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. All-day edits, outdoor shoots, no anxiety. Limitations: Exynos 1580 slows under sustained 4K. LCD, not OLED. Best for hobbyist photographers and Android creators, not for color-critical professionals. At number 5, the Apple iPad mini with A17 Pro, the best on-location editing companion money can buy. Your laptop is too big for your camera bag, and every compact tablet still feels like a compromise. The iPad mini fixes that. First, the A17 Pro chip, pulled from the iPhone 16 Pro. Lightroom, Photoshop, and LumaFusion run flawlessly on a device weighing under 300 grams. Pocket-sized power you will actually use at the shoot. Second, an 8.3-inch liquid retina at 326 pixels per inch with P3 wide color. Impressive accuracy for field edits and RAW review right beside your camera. Third, USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E for transferring files directly from your card reader. No laptop needed. Limitations: too small for long-form editing sessions. No M-series chip. No micro SD slot. Best for travel photographers, drone pilots, and location shooters. Not for anyone needing a primary workstation. At number 4, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, Amazon's best-selling and highest-rated mid-range Android tablet right now. No other non-Apple tablet at this price matches its combination of display quality, speed, and editing tools. First, an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display at 2800 by 1752 with 120 Hz, rich colors, deep blacks, and a buttery smooth refresh rate that makes scrolling through Lightroom catalogs effortless. Second, a 3nm MediaTek processor that handles 4K playback and Adobe app multitasking without throttling, paired with the included S Pen, 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity for masking, retouching, and precise adjustments out of the box. Third, IP68 water and dust resistance, plus an 18-hour battery with fast charging. Edit all day in any environment without anxiety. Limitations: no OLED class color volume. Android app ecosystem trails iPad OS. Best for Android photographers and Samsung ecosystem users, not for video professionals needing ProRes. Number 3, the Apple iPad Air 13-inch with M3, the best complete editing system for creators who need a real canvas without paying pro prices. 11 inches is not enough when cutting a real timeline. The 13-inch Air closes that gap, and with the M4 Air now launched, clearance pricing makes this one of the best tablet value plays in recent memory. First, a 13-inch liquid retina display with P3 wide color, extra real estate that is genuinely transformative for video timelines and Lightroom Lightroom catalogs. Room to actually work. Second, the M3 chip handles 4K without breaking a sweat. LumaFusion, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, no throttling, no dropped frames. Third, Magic Keyboard compatibility delivers keyboard, trackpad, and USB-C charging in a single snap. Limitations: 60 Hz, no OLED. M3 is end of generation. Best for YouTubers, vloggers, and semi-pro creators. Not for color-critical professionals. Quick reminder, all links with current pricing are in the description. Hit like and subscribe if this is helping. Now the top two, and these get very serious. At number 2, the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch with M4. The premium color-accurate workhorse built around the finest tablet display ever made. You are editing for clients, not Instagram. You need color accuracy you can actually trust for print, broadcast, and professional client deliverables. First, tandem OLED at 2752 by 2064 with 1600 nits peak high dynamic range brightness. Deep blacks, stunning contrast, P3 wide color, genuinely better than most dedicated monitors. The best tablet display ever made, period. Second, the M4 chip handles ProRes 4K natively, 10-core GPU, smooth real-time previews, fast exports, zero throttling. Third, Apple Pencil Pro on a 13-inch OLED canvas. Pixel-level precision for retouching and masking at a scale that finally feels like a real professional workstation. Limitations: iPadOS is not a full desktop operating system. Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard are sold separately. Best for professional photographers and wedding videographers. Not for beginners. The number one pick is the most powerful creative tablet of 2026. Nothing else comes close. Here it is. The number one best tablet for photo and video editing in 2026, the Microsoft Surface Pro 12-inch, the most affordable Copilot Plus Windows tablet on Amazon, and the only tablet under $800 that runs the full desktop versions of Photoshop, Lightroom Classic, and Premiere Pro natively. No mobile app substitutes, no compromises, just real professional software on a tablet. First, a 12-inch IPS display at 2196 by 1464 with 90 Hz. Sharp, touch-ready, and calibrated for accurate color work at every refresh rate. Second, Snapdragon X Plus with 16 GB of RAM and Windows 11. Run Lightroom, Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve simultaneously without throttling. Fanless, zero noise during long editing sessions. Third, Copilot AI built-in, AI masking, generative fill, and real-time enhancement inside your existing apps. Fourth, Slim Pen charges magnetically on the back. No accessories needed to get started. Limitations: keyboard sold separately. IPS, not OLED. Best for professionals needing desktop software under $800. And there you have it, the 7 best tablets for photo and video editing in 2026. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're going with, or which tablet you currently edit on. All links are in the description below. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.